What do you think of the Ellen DeGeneres show? Do you love Ellen? Do you love Ellen? What do you like about her? She dances. Is she a good dancer? A pretty good dancer? What do you love about Ellen? Her sneakers? You want a pair of those? Oh, Dad, I don't know if those will fit you. We'll try. We'll try. We'll get them. Do you want to be on her show? You want to be on her show? Well, ask her. Not me, ask her. Ellen, can I be on your show? Tell her you're a gentleman. You wear a bow tie. What's your one and only dream, Mo? To go on the Ellen show? What do you want to do once you're on there? You would cook for her? Oh, that's really sweet. Would you give her a kiss? You would? Ellen, can I be on your show? Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to check out our previous episode of Life in the Doghouse.
And subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Thank you.